You ready? Isabel. Eddie Bell. Okay. I guess we won't be doing whatever that was. Did I miss my photo op?
Oh! She won't do it while the camera's on. She will see nobody. Come on.
Hey Isabel, come walk. Come to Mom.
You know what's a good idea? You want this, right? Do you want all this? Let's walk to it.
As Sissy yanks every Raven Allumgitten's video of your butt.
1 second. And my butt will be gone and Isabel will have time to shine.
I think she's done.
She's not.
No! You can't have that. That's a guinea pig reward. No! You can't steal your guinea pig reward!
Guinea pig reward?
When you do something, you get a prize.
Oh, for heaven's sake.
No!
Come here, Isabel. Come here. Walk to Mommy. Come here. Walk to Mommy. Don't crawl. Walk. Walk to me. Come here. Yay! Yay! What a good girl. Such a big girl. Yay! I love your drunken swagger.
Walk to Sissy again.
Go get Sissy. Go get her.
Go
Go get her. Go bite her thumb. Or fall. Yay!
Woohoo!